Welcome to the London Outlook for Thursday, the 7th of March 2024. Starting off with the economic calendar, there are two red folder news events for March. Again, as I said yesterday, Fed Chair Powell is testifying again, and that causes a bit of an issue because it's somewhat in the middle of the New York session, and thus I'm not able, or usually I'm unable to get to a decent sized position before his decent size trade risk reward before his testimony if I take a New York session trade. Therefore, for that reason, I won't be taking any New York based trades and I'll only be focusing on London based trades. Any London based trades will be managed appropriately in terms of the 3:30 p.m. news release and then closed accordingly just at or prior this testimony. So having said that, let's jump into the charts and see how we can take advantage of the London session from a daily perspective. What we do understand is we've had 4 consecutive bullish daily candles, and thus we anticipate that today will be a bearish day. In addition to that, moving on to the 4-hour chart, we understand that we are in a 4H bearish market structure. We have reached the pro-trend extreme, and since we have reached the pro-trend extreme, it's now anticipated that this is the point which will result in taking out the 4H swing external range liquidity. However, having said that, we do also know that the pullback phase primary leg has been extended numerous times, with it finally reaching the refined level of the pro-trend extreme, and now we are focusing on where can we trade from here. Obviously, what is clear from here is that shorts make the most sense, with counter trend trades requiring backing, which we do have. Internal range liquidity, again we do have that. However, the daily bias for today is purely to short, and thus that means that we only short for today. In terms of finding an entry for the London outlook, there's two potential opportunities here. One is to base it on the previous day high of the day to the extreme, and that's valid because we have this change of character right here validating this short primary leg. We also have the fib levels to consider, and in an ideal scenario this Asia range liquidity will remain intact, and then take our entry, subsequent to which we will try and break even at this in and around this level. Alternatively, the other option for finding an entry is that price takes out the Asia range high, then validates a Frankfurt high of the day as such, with London breaking the Frankfurt range like that, and then we can consider an entry in and around this area, again with the objective of moving to the downside. So there's two potentials. This will remain valid until invalidated by the beginning of the lull, which I will mark out right here. Lull starts at 1 p.m. my time, so around there, and I'll just set an alert to say that the lull has started. Consider removing Alright, so that's pretty much the London outlook. There's two, just to summarize, we're only considering shorts. There's only two potential ways to get in, and the other thing I need to mention is that I won't be trading the New York session, or rather, if I do take London trades, I'll manage them in the New York session, but I won't be entering based on New York session trade ideas. Other than that, have a good trading session, and we'll chat again for the New York outlook.